Jai Gurudev students. Now we will start the third lesson, matrices. This lesson have a good weightage in board exam as well as in your competitive exam. Matrices is a plural form of a matrix. What is a matrix? Order rectangular array. If we have to solve the linear equation in 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, then to solve the 2 variable we have learned the different methods in standard 10th. But if we have to solve the linear equation in 3 variables, then this equation can solve, but it takes a time. So to solve the linear equation of 4 variables, 5 variables and so on, it form a technique, and that technique is used to form the matrix. It is used in many ways also. So the matrix is become a multifold matrix given a method to solve the linear equation of more than 3 variables. So we have to see what is a matrix. If we are having the 4 numbers 1, 4, 3, 5 can be represented in different ways. In the first ways you had find 1, 4, 3, 5 without comma we had written in a rectangular form. Next 1, 4, 3, 5 we had written in a vertical form, and also it is closed with the bracket, that is a square bracket. Next it is 1, 4 first two number written in a first row and 3, 4 written in a second row. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of the numbers, letters also, characters or anything. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of rows, columns in which each row has an equal number of elements, each column has an equal number of elements. For example, if I had written A, B, C, D, this is called as a first row, this is called as a second row. In a first row 2 elements are there, in second row 2 elements are there. That's why it can form a matrix. But in the second example we had seen here, in the first row 2 elements are there, but in the second row only 1 element is there. That's why it is not form a matrix. Now if a matrix A is written as in a rectangular array form. So first element is represented by first row, first column. This is noted as the second element is in the first row and the second column 1, 2, 1, 3 and dot 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 1 n, that is A21, 22, 23, 2n. Here likewise we had find the lastly we will say as AM1, AM2, AM3 to dot 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 AMN. Means it has m rows and n column. So order of this matrix can be written as m cross n. These are horizontal rows horizontal lines are called as rows, and vertical lines are called as columns. So here having m rows and n columns. Here A is called as elements. Short way to write the matrix is A is equal to in a rectangular form A, small a, I, j suffix m cross n, where I means rows and j means column. Order of the matrix is m cross n. A matrix has m into n mn elements. Next we will see types of matrices. First is row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. For example, A is equal to 2 minus 3, 1, 4. These are the 4 numbers. It is enclosed in the square bracket. So only one row is there, but the columns are 4. That's why the order of this matrix is 1 cross 4. Column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has one column only. So are you finding here is a one column but number of rows are 3. So order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. First of all we have to write a number of rows and then number of columns. Square matrix, a matrix in which the number of rows equal to number of columns is called square matrix. Here are you finding this is the first row, this is second, means two rows are there and two columns are there. That's why it is called as a square matrix. Diagonal matrix, a square matrix A is equal to Aij m cross n is said to be a diagonal matrix if its all non-diagonal elements are 0. This is called as a diagonal element and these are called as a non-diagonal elements, and now non-diagonal elements are you finding here is a 0 and these are the diagonal elements. Next, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. Are you finding diagonal elements are 2, 2, 2 and non-diagonal elements are 0, 0, 0. If here is a 3, 3, 3, then it is called as a scalar matrix. Identity matrix, a square matrix in which the elements in the diagonal are all 1 and rest are all a 0. For example, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So are you finding diagonal elements are 1, 1, 1 and here non-diagonal elements are 0. Null matrix or the zero matrix. A matrix is said to be a zero matrix or a null matrix if all its elements are 0, and we denote the zero matrix by O. So A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. It is 2 cross 2 matrix and it is denoted by a O. Two matrices A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are said to be equal if they are of a same order, means if it is order should be same m cross n, and each element of a is equal to the corresponding elements of a B, that is Aij is equal to Bij for all ij. Some extra problems we will see. Write the order of the following matrices and also find the number of elements in the matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 5. This is the first row. This is second row. 7, 0, 1. So how many rows are there? 2 cross. How many columns are there? 3. That's why the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. Here is a cross sign is there. Number of elements we have to find in this matrix. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 3 means 6. Second, A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 5. Now you are finding this is the first row, second row, third row. This is the first column, second column, third column. So the order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. Okay, and number of elements is equal to 3 cross 3 means 9. In the fourth problem, A is equal to 6, 2, 1, 7 means only one row is there, but the number of columns are 4. That's why the order of matrix is 1 cross 4 and number of elements is equal to 1 into 4 means 4. Next is 2, 1 first row, 3, 7 in second row, 9, 0 in third row. And how many columns are there? As the first and second. So order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. And number of elements 3 into 2 means 6. Are you finding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? That's why 6 elements. Now we will start the exercise 3.1 first problem. In the matrix A is equal to, in the first row they had given 2, 5, 19, minus 7. In the second row these elements given, in the third row these elements. So they had asked us order of the matrix. So how many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is order? 3 cross 4. Second question is number of elements. Number of elements is 3 into 4 means 12. Okay. Third is elements of, means what should be the position of this. This position of this number element is 1, 2. They had asked 1, 3 means first row but third element. So 19. 8, 2, 1 second row and the first element 2, 1. So 35. 8, 2, 3 second row third element, that is 5 by 2. A24 means second row fourth element means 12, and A33 means third row and third column means -5. Second problem, if a matrix has 24 elements. Now in this problem they had given elements. What are possible order it can have? What if it has a 13 elements? Means they had given number of elements and how many matrix of a different order we can form, that we have to find. Now what we will do? Factors of 24 we will find. 1 into 24 means 24. Then 2 into 12 means 24. We will find the factors. 3 into 8 means 24. 4 into 6 means 24. 6 into 4 means 24. 12 into 8 into 3 means 24. 12 into 2 means 24. 24 into 1 means 24. Order pairs are this: 1, 24, 24, 1, and interchange their place. 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, 8 into 3, 8 comma 3, sorry, 4, 6, 6, 4. Hence the possible order of the matrix having 24 elements are 1 cross 24, means this matrix is having 1 row but 24 columns. 2 cross 12 means 2 rows but 12 columns. 3 cross 8 means 3 rows 8 columns. 4 cross 6 means 4 rows 6 columns. Then interchange. Now 6 rows but 4 columns. 8 cross 3 means 8 rows 3 columns. 12 cross 2 means 12 rows 2 columns. 24 rows but 1 column. Likewise they had asked again second question, what if it has a 13 element? Now 13 elements, so we will find the factors of 13. 13 can be written as 1 into 13 and 13 into 1 because it's a prime number. It has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 13. So 1 comma 13 and 13 comma 1 are the order pairs of natural number whose product is a 13. Hence possible order of a matrix having 13 elements are 1 cross 13 means 1 row 13 columns, and 13 cross 1 means 13 row and only 1 column. Third problem is same to the second problem, that's why this is for you. Next, fourth problem we will see. Construct 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by this equation. Aij is equal to 1 by 2, this is a mod, minus 3i plus j. Everyone know mod of minus 4 is nothing but 4. Mod of plus 4 is also 4. Modulus we are going to say. And second problem, Aij is equal to 2i minus j. We are using this equation we have to form 3 cross 4 matrix, means the matrix is having 3 rows but 4 columns. In a general 3 cross 4 matrix is given by A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14. This is the first row. And these are the columns. How many columns are there? 4. That's why A11, A12, first row is 1, 1, 1, 1. But the column is changing 1, 2, 3, 4. A21, A22, A23, A24. This is second row. And A31, A32, A33, A34. This is a third row. Given first problem we will see, given that Aij is equal to half in the mod of minus 3i plus j. Here we have a 3 rows. 3 cross 4 is the order of this matrix. Means what's the value of I? 1, 2, 3. And what's the value of a j? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, in this equation, one by one we are going to substitute these values. First of all, we will find A11, A21, A31. Means first column we are going to find. So here our row should be the same, but the column should be here our row is different, but the columns will be the first only. That's why here we will substitute the value of I is equal to 1. Here 2 and here 3, but j should be 1, 1, 1. So here we will get 1 by 2, minus 3 into what's the value of I is a 1 plus 1. Here we will get 1 by 2 into 2, which is equal to 1, because 2 is going to cancel. And minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 2, but mod of minus 2 is 2. That's why we got here 2 into 2, 2 cross 2 is cancel, we will get 1. Second, 8 to 1 means here we have to substitute the value of I is 2, but j is only 1. 1 by 2 fix it is, mod of minus 3 into 2 means minus 6 plus 1 means 5, and here 1 by 2 into 5 means 5 by 2. A31 which is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 into 3 plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 means minus 8, but mod of minus 8 is nothing but 8, that's why 2 1s are 2 4s are, so we got here the 4. This we will get here the first column. In the second, what we will do here, as we will substitute here the I is equal to 1 2 3 and j is a fix, that is 2 2 2. So 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 into 1 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is nothing but minus 1. Mod of minus 1 is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. In the second, A22 means we will substitute I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 into 2 plus 2 means minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Mod of minus 4 is 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is nothing but 2. So the answer is 2. A32, here we have to substitute I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 2. 1 by 2 into mod of minus 3 3s are 9 plus 2 means minus 7. Mod of minus 7 is 7. 1 by 2 into 7 means 7 by 2. Then this is our second column, 1 by 2 to 7 by 2. A13 means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 3. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0 and 0 into 1 by 2 means 0. A23 I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. So half into mod of minus 3 into 2 plus 3 means minus 6 plus 3 is nothing but 3. 1 by 2 into 3 is nothing but 3 by 2. A33 is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 into 3 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 means minus 6 and mod of minus 6 is 6. Therefore 1 by 2 into 6 is nothing but 3. So we got here the third column is 0, 3 by 2, 3. Next, fourth column. In the fourth column again we are going to change the value of I is 1 2 3 but j is 4 4 4. So 1 by 2 in the mod minus 3 into 1 plus 4 we will get minus 3 plus 4 is 1 and 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. So next is A24, that is 1 by 2 in the mod minus 3 into 2 plus 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 and mod of minus 2 is nothing but 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is nothing but 1. A34 which is equal to half mod of minus 3 into 3 plus 4 minus 9 plus 4 is nothing but minus 5 and mod of minus 5 is 5. 1 by 2 into 5 is nothing but 5 by 2. So this is the fourth column. So finally we have to write all these values in a matrix form. So required matrix is equal to this which we had find. This is a first column, this is second column, this is third and this is fourth, and this is a required matrix of order 3 cross 4. Fifth problem, find the values of x, y, z from the following equation. In the first problem they had given the matrix of order 2 cross 2 which is equal to second matrix is also order of a 2 cross 2. But in the first matrix they had given in the first row 4 3 x 5 and in the second y z 1 5. As already we had seen, that is if the given matrices are equal then their corresponding elements are also equal. This is the first row's first column. So this is also first row first column. So what's the value of a y we will get? Y is equal to 4. Here x, this is a second row first column. That's why it is x is equal to 1 we will get. And then what's the value of z? Z is equal to 3. Here we will get. Second problem, in the first matrix they had given x plus y is the first element, 2 second element, 5 plus z third element and xy fourth. Here 6 2 5 8. If the two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also equal, we knows. So x plus y is equal to 6. But here both are the variables. We can't find here the value of x or y. In the second, they had given here z 5 plus z is equal to 5. So obvious z is equal to 0. In the third, x and this xy is equal to 8. So x plus y is equal to 6. We got first equation. 5 plus z is equal to 5 means z is equal to 0. X into y is 8 means we can write x in the form of 8 by y. This value we will substitute in this first equation. So in place of x we will write 8 by y plus y is equal to 6. From here we are going to get y is common, that is LCM, and we will get here 8 plus y square is equal to 6. This y we will shift to the right hand side and we are going to get the quadratic equation y square minus 6y. 6y we will shift here. Minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now you are the 12th standard student, means you know this is a quadratic equation. What should be the factors of these quadratic equation? First is y minus 4 and y minus 2, which is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Here we got the values of a y are 2. That's why if y is equal to 4, here we will substitute x value, we will get as a 2, and z is a fix. And if y is equal to 2, if we will substitute in the equation first, we will get x is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0 is a fix. So these are the two values for this equation we will get. Third problem, this is a matrix. Can you tell me what should be the order of this matrix? That is only 3 rows but only 1 column, means the order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. Can you find here also? This is first, second, third, and this is only 1 column, so 3 cross 1. It means both the matrix is having a same order. If two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also equal. So we will get x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Second equation, x plus z is equal to 5, and third is y plus z is equal to 7. Then what we will do here? Now it is the first, second and third equation we got. Substitute first, here y plus z value, which is equal to 7, in the first equation. So we will get here the value of x from this equation. Z is equal to 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. Substitute in 1 this equation, y plus 5, which is equal to 9, y is equal to 4. And third is x plus 3, which is equal to 5. That's why x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3 are the required values of this equation.